Hi everyone, welcome to our English class. Today we're going to start with the unit number 2, and this is the video number 1 of the unit number 2. The contents for today's video are school supplies, school subjects, job and occupation. We're going to study vocabularies about the supplies, the objects we use at school or at the university. We're going to study the subjects that we use at school or at the university. And we're going to study vocabularies about jobs and occupation. Jobs could be profession. Then we're going to study a little bit about grammar. We're going to see preposition of time, and we're going to practice conversations and vocabularies about arranging a meeting. So, the first vocabulary part, we have the school supplies. So, the school supplies are the objects we use in a school or at the university where we study in a classroom. So, we can use the question, what is this? It's a backpack. What is this? It's a whiteboard. What is this? It's a rubber or it's an eraser. So rubber is for British English and eraser is for American English. What is this? It's a pen. This is a pencil. This is a book. Book is singular, books plural. This is a notebook. This is a ruler. This is a dictionary. What is this? You can see this is a window in singular, or those are windows in plural. Window singular, windows plural. Door. This is a poster. This is an air conditioner. This is a desk. And this is a chair. What is this? This is a laptop. What is this? This is a microphone. What is this? This is a web camera or a webcam. This is a speaker. Then we have vocabulary school subjects. So the school subjects are what we study at the school or what we study at the university. For example, what is your favorite subject at school? My favorite subject is chemistry. What is your favorite subject at the university? I love maths. You can see maths is mathematics. Mathematics, you can see the numbers. So you can say, my favorite subject is math, or I love math. What is your favorite subject at school? My favorite subject is French. French is a language. Spanish is a language. Guarani is a language. Portuguese is a language. What is your favorite subject at the university? It's PE. PE you have here in parentheses. That is the short form of physical education. In physical education, we do exercises. What is your favorite subject at the school? It's ICT, Information and Communication Technology. What is your favorite subject at the university? It's music or it's art. What is your favorite subject at the school? It's history or it's geography. So, our vocabularies about school subjects. Here we have some extra vocabularies about school subjects. For example, science, literature, English, biology, philosophy, social studies. So let's repeat: science, literature, English, biology, philosophy, social studies. In the last part of today's vocabulary lesson, we're going to see job and occupation. Job and occupation is the same or is similar as profession. Okay? Job, profession, occupation. We're going to use with the verb to be, the famous verb to be. So we have I am a teacher, I am a nurse, I am a doctor. Let's repeat. I am a teacher, I am a nurse, I am a doctor. In parentheses, we use doctor, nurse, teacher for man and woman. No distinction, ¿ok? No utilizamos diferencias de géneros entre hombres y mujeres cuando hablamos de profesión en el inglés. I am a mechanic, I am a student, I am a lawyer. Lawyer is a person who defends people at a court. It's in Spanish, abogado. In this case, secretary, builder, and judge, no distinction between woman and man. Okay? Secretary is for woman and for man. Builder is for woman and for man. Judge is for woman and for men. But actress is for woman, for girl, like Sandra Bullock, and actor is for men, for example, Will Smith. Let's see a little bit about grammar. We're going to study the preposition of time. We have, in this occasion, three kinds of preposition of time. We have in, on, and at. In, on, at. Those are prepositions about time. So, in what cases do we use in? In we use with months. For example, January, February, March. Those are months. We use with seasons like winter, spring, summer, etc. Those are examples of seasons. Then we have years. What is years? 2022, yes, 2022, etc. We have parts of the day. What is part of the day? Is in the morning, the afternoon, the evening, etc. Those are examples of part of the day. Then we have the other preposition of time, on. On we use with days. Do you remember what are days? Days are, for example, Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, etc. We use on with dates. For example, 19th September. And we use at with times of day. For example, 4 o'clock. We use at with holidays. Holidays means, or holidays is when you don't work, no occupation. ¿Sí? Cuando estamos libres son los feriados. For example, Christmas, yes. For example, Easter, etc. We're going to we have in. In what cases do we use in? We use in with month. For example, in January, in September. My birthday is in January. We use with seasons. The last class we study seasons. For example, in the winter, in the summer. Years. We use in with years. For example, in 1998. In English, we separate the numbers when we talk about years. For example, 19, we separate the number 1 and number 9, 19. Then we separate the second number 9 and the number 8. So we have 1998. Okay? And we use in with parts of the day. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. But no, never, we don't use with 9. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon are correct, but in the night is incorrect. 8, we mention the day. So we mention the day and the month. On 10th January, on 1st September. This is date. Then we use with days on Monday, on Friday. And finally, we use at. We use at with times, for example, at 4 o'clock, at noon. What is noon? Noon, in parentheses, we have 12 p.m. Or we can say at midday, that is equal, that is similar, is the same as at noon. So midday and noon are equal. So we use at midday, at noon. Holidays, we use at with holidays. For example, at Christmas, at the weekend. What is the weekend? The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. And at night. You can see here a warning in yellow color. At night is correct, but in the night is incorrect. And to finish the preposition part, the preposition of time part, we're going to practice a little bit about arranging a meeting. What is arranging a meeting? Arranging a meeting is when me and another person want to see each other, want to go to a restaurant, want to study in pairs. Okay, so arranging a meeting in Spanish is agendar una reunión, un encuentro social, un encuentro casual. For example, here we have a conversation between Julie and Paul. So Julie says, Paul, good morning. Hi Julie, how are you? I'm good. How was your weekend? Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Pretty good. Pretty good is very good, is excellent. I visit a Chinese is China. I visit a Chinese restaurant with my family. Oh, good to know. Buena noticia, qué bueno escuchar. So, Paul, I'd like to arrange a meeting with you to discuss the latest English class. So, Paul, I want to go with you. I want to discuss, I want to have a conversation about the last English class. Sure, that sounds good. That is a good idea. Are you available on Tuesday at 2 p.m.? Available is when you are free, no trabajo, no occupation. Let me take a look at my calendar. Let me see at my calendar. Déjame ver mi agenda. Sure, seguro. Oh no, I can't make it. No, I'm busy. Okay, I can make it is the same, is equal to I'm busy. What is busy? Busy is the opposite, lo opuesto de available. Okay, muy ocupado. So I can't make it. I have a meeting with my biologist team. So Paul has another meeting. Remember, meeting is reunión. Okay? Oh, no worries. No worries is no problem. How does Thursday at 10 a.m. sound? What about Thursday at 10 a.m.? Yes, that work. Yes, it's a good idea. Great, Paul. See you then. See you, Julie. Practice makes perfect. La práctica hace el maestro. Okay, so now it's your turn to practice. In the platform, la plataforma, in Microsoft Word, you have a material, yes, a document where you can practice with this conversation, Paul and Julie's conversation. You are going to read, van a leer, and circle the answer. You're going to practice reading comprehension. ¿Ok? Entonces, en un documento de Microsoft Word tienen un material donde van a practicar reading comprehension, que es lectura comprensiva. Okay, with this conversation, and in this document you have extra expressions about arranging a meeting. For today, thank you for watching. See you next time.